Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make recurring tasks in Todoist. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Todoist account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to Inbox. Now in here, you're going to want to create a new task. For example, recurring test right here. All right. Once that's done, go ahead and add your description if you want to. Task description. Now in here in the title, you're going to want to put do every space. Could be Monday to Sundays. For example, do every Friday. Right here, as you can see, it has been highlighted. And as you might notice here, there is a repeat icon. All right. So once that's done, just hit on enter. As you can see here, it is set to Friday and it is recurring. Okay. As you can see here, every Friday. Okay. If you want to add a subtask with that, all right. For example, in here under recurring test, for example, test every Monday. All right. As you can see here, when we have this icon and you have your day highlighted, just go ahead and hit on enter. And as you can see, it will repeat every Monday. Now, if you want to make it as a subtask, just go ahead and use this drag and drop tool and drag it right here at the top, then move right and then release. There you go. The main task and the subtask. All right. Just do note that you cannot reset your subtask if you didn't reset your main task first. All right. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.